how to use the resize command in Siemens NX. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to more, and here is the command of resize curve. As per the definition, there are two words mentioned, which is diameter or radius. So this command can be used only for the circular things, like we have the circle here and an arc here. So it is going to be get applied only on this arc and the circle. We cannot apply this command to the rectangle. Why so? Because it doesn't have any kind of radius or diameter. So let's start with the demonstration. First of all, just go to the mode, and then we have to go to resize curve, and here we have the select curve option. You can see this is not going to highlight the edges of the rectangle. Why so? Because it doesn't contain any kind of radius or diameter. So I'm going to select this arc. As you can see, this arc has been highlighted when I hover my mouse over that. Now I can increase or decrease the radius. So this is the control from as fillet, and we can also have the control from center, like this is going to be the center. So this is going to be get increased as per the requirement. We can give the diameter here like 80 and just click on apply. Now you can see earlier it was like 30 and now the radius has been changed to 40. I'm going to increase the diameter from 50 to 100, so just click on it and the diameter is going to be as 100 like this. So in this way we can use the resize curve command. So that is all in the resize curve command. We have learned about the limitations of the resize command and how we can use the resize command. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.